And this is where he's at with the boat, or at least the next boat. So
These are the gauges will be here.
last time I filmed, the camera went dead. The crappy GoPro went dead while I was filming. This is Rob's 1200 power valve. Mocked it all up, so you boys can know right now, there's a really big exhaust on that thing. But anyway, we're back here again another day. And this is where he's at with the boat. And or at least the next boat. So it's real small. I'm gonna try sitting in it. Got the pump all mocked up in there. Yeah. And then there's the bullet up there. We're gonna start gluing some stuff in. And yeah, this is my old 800 engine. Gonna try to mock it up a little bit. And hopefully, you know, with the pipe, it's really big. Everybody has to grind the whole stuff when they're putting in the dry pipe in the 800. So I'm gonna I probably will try to move the engine forward about an inch to just keep it clear of that. I don't really want to grind up on that nice thing up there. So, but yeah, I'm gonna have to sit down in this thing. He's got a nice little grate in the front so that your feet aren't like slanted into the bottom V section of the boat. You know, he's gonna make like a cool like cowl thing for the hood front, I guess front, not hood. But I'm gonna get in this thing. I'm gonna sit. I am gonna sit in his boat. I'm gonna tell you guys how it is. All right. Helmet cam. I don't have a strap, but last time I filmed, the camera went dead. The crappy GoPro went dead while I was filming. Fortunately, we didn't lose that much material, but the next day is where we're at now. Rob's got the nose of his boat that he's doing. He's got the press over there, and that's how we're doing the bends and getting the nose of the boat slapped onto the boat. So, all right, boys, check this out. We got the nose tacked in there, and I think it looks pretty sweet. Yeah. What do you guys think? You can tell us below what you think, but these boats, Rob's boats are cool, so yeah.
This is a thing.
It is? Oh. Okay.
Because these I'm gonna have to put down here and wet. It's gonna be in the way.
Yeah, well that's a really cool control setup.
These are the gauges will be here.
Yeah.
Somehow. So I think those ears will be in the way. I'm gonna have to
The gauges will actually be cool on this project. Yeah. That's nice. Yep. And the nice thing about making it for you, as opposed to making it for a company that you work for, is you can just say however good you want it to be and then not freak out about stuff. Another day in the shop, people. And I'm gonna give you a peek at Rob's boat, even though he says it's too crappy to put on video right now. I think it looks pretty darn sweet. It's got this all aluminum cage, which is like, I guess a roll cage, but it also looks kind of like a wakeboard tower. I think this looks really a lot smaller than I thought it was going to, but he's got the kind of like a firewall set up with perforated panels that he's going to back that with foam and hopefully keep the noise out of your ears. But guys, go out there and build your stuff and tell us about it in the comment section, because we're here to talk about it as usual.